The euro and the pound have taken different directions against the US dollar. However, both currencies can resume the upward movement. Find out more in our new video on InstaForex TV. The decline in industrial production in the euro area slowed to 2.6% from 3.5%. Output was forecast to fall by 3.3%. However, the market ignored such strong data. The pound is still flat. The euro dropped ahead of the eurozone industrial production report. It seems that an acceleration in industrial production only slowed down the downward trend of the euro. The market has ignored the data due to the fact that it's now more concerned over today's debate in Congress whether to impeach President Trump. It's this particular issue that keeps the market in suspense, since the long-term consequences of the decisions on the matter can turn out to be truly unpredictable. Apparently, even the US inflation report will not be able to somehow change the course of events. Economists expect inflation to accelerate. Consequently, the yield of US stocks may increase. Therefore, the US dollar is likely to strengthen. However, growing uncertainty amid what's now happening in the United States doesn't allow the market to find balance. This is definitely a bad situation for the greenback. Thus, any attempt to strengthen the US dollar will be short-term at the moment. During the corrective move, the euro-USD pair reached the support level of 1.2130. After that, it moved slowly and formed a 24-hour sideways trend between the levels of 1.2130 and 1.2175. In regards to the sideways range, it was the right decision to wait for a breakout at one or another border of this range. We talked about this in our yesterday review. According to the trading chart, the quartz reached the level of 1.2220. However, the downward trend may well resume if the price fails to reach 1.2240. And yesterday, the GBP USD pair strengthened and recouped all losses from the early corrective move to the level of 1.37. The price advanced after Governor of Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, had hinted that the regulator was not considering cutting interest rates. According to the current trading chart on GBP USD, the price is approaching the area of the local high of the midterm uptrend in the 1.3690 and 1.3705 range. This is the region where market participants feel pressure. Consequently, it leads to a reduction in the volume of long positions. In case the pair fails to go above the 1.3690 area, the price may again rebound to 1.3600. Alternatively, if the price consolidates above 1.3710 on the 4-hour chart, the midterm uptrend will resume. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel. See you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.